Hello, I'm here in the bathroom. There have been a fire in I don't know. It's Avenida Kennedy. The gasoline refinery had exploded. Let's go. I'm gonna see it. Look at this. Had exploded. It's really dramatic. I don't know. Since 12:15 last night, and still there. So gay. She's crazy. She's crazy, but the fire's real though.
My friend can't speak right now. She's like horrified. Her brother just got burned to death and she saw it all.
Innocent bystander. How do you respond to this?
She doesn't.
There's a fire. My brother got burned. I saw him burn and touch us. He burned.
Okay.
It's okay, honey. Don't cry.
No. But guys, look, the fire's real since like 12:15 last night, and it's still going on.
My boyfriend. I'm supposed to get married.
They called the New Jersey thingies to come and help put it out. It's a really big fire. 19 different gasoline tanks exploded. So, yes, we're all over the news and we're facing it. We got this.
I was supposed to get married next week, but my boyfriend got burned to death and I saw it all.
Aga.
Really big fire.
In the right side, we don't have the bush. Where is it?
It wasn't that hard.
Supposedly. Okay. Anyways, well, if you see something of this or want to post anything on our website, it's www.jenandgab.webs.com, and you can go there and post your things.
I'm not really
about
married. My
this
boyfriend didn't really
fire.
die.
But the fire is true, guys. It happened. What's today?
I don't know.
Oh,
the bell.
It's 9:01 Puerto Rican time.
And we're like here in the classroom waiting for the teacher to
And
come.
it is October
yet.
23rd, and it happened today at 12:15 a.m.
I think so.
So,
And you can see like the sky was like
it's a humongous
orange.
disaster. Like everybody
Like my
is, I don't know. But anyways, guys, I need to leave you back to the normal
Can
show.
I just say goodbye?
Bye.